time is it and what time is it? Let me tell you now, it is the DW World Equity Times. From now onwards, every Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. And on every Monday morning, we're going to pick a powerful stock, and it may come from Singapore markets, Malaysia markets, Hong Kong markets, China markets, US or UK markets. And we call this the OTOP 1910. One target, one purpose, Monday, 9 a.m. and 10 minutes. Be forewarned, we are not recommending any stocks, but it could be a very powerful stocks or very potential commodity counter for that particular week. So stay tuned, and what you're going to do next is every Monday, 9 a.m., just log on and watch us. Stay tuned and be our fan. I'll be right back. Welcome back here. OTOP 77 is right here waiting for you, and that's for the week 24th January year 2022. Alright, and we are just one more week to the Chinese New Year. Alright, so first of all, I want to wish all of you a very prosperous year of the tiger in this new lunar year of year 2022, and we have got a lot of good things coming on every Monday on the OTOP series, so stay tuned with us on every Monday 9 a.m. Singapore time, Hong Kong time or Beijing time. Alright, this week we're going to talk about something interesting as we are moving soon to the first FOMC meeting of year 2022. Well, first of all, let us take a look on the last Friday. If we look at these numbers here, alright. In fact, last week Dow Jones has been moving down, and in fact all the three US indexes has been going down, alright, with the fear of a rate hike on the first semester of year 2022. Alright, and if you look on the figures, okay, on last Friday, alright, Dow Jones was down 450 points, S&P was down 84 points, while Nasdaq lost 385 points. Alright, that was last Friday. And if you look at gold prices here, alright, gold prices are beginning to move up and balancing at a level of 1,840 US dollars per ounce. Alright, and we are looking good that the gold prices or the gold mining stock could be climbing up very soon in February. Alright, of course, well, this is what we call a movement of funds to the safe haven in gold prices. Alright, so we are going to see the FOMC meeting on this coming week, which will fall on the 25th and 26th of January. Alright, and the outcome of the FOMC will be released in the Asia hours, alright, on the early Thursday, wee hours, Thursday morning, which is about perhaps around 3 a.m. So stay tuned for that, because, well, if the US policymakers are stressing again on controlling the inflation and favor on tapering, well, I think that could actually put the US stocks on higher pressure. But of course, on the other hand, if the Federal Reserve policymakers do not mention so much and want to take a natural reaction towards the market, I think it should be starting to go sideways until the end January. Okay, so that's it for the recap on last week and FOMC waiting to come on this Tuesday and Wednesday. Let us take a look on what we covered on last week. Alright, remember, 10 minutes is all you need to stay with us. Alright, this is the ETF that we were talking about last week. Alright, in last week OTOP series we recommended FXY, which is a long Japanese yen trust, and everything looks good. Alright, if anyone have been sitting long and picked up on this position, not to worry. Alright, you are in good hands, and we are pretty sure that it will still continue to move up. Basically, we are talking about the US dollar versus yen, or we call it dollar yen exchange rate, could be coming down and yen is going to appreciate. So this will be a good position if we have actually long anywhere in the range between 82 or even up to now 82.5. Okay, our target could be 84.5 or even 85. So stay tuned for this. And this week, alright, this week what we are going to introduce again is also another ETF, all right, which is very special. Before I want to tell you what is that, let's take a look again at the dollar index. All right, if you look at this dollar index, well, definitely we think that the pulled up recovery sign here actually has the momentum reducing, so very high chance if we want to take a look at this chart pattern, all right, I would think, well, the channel has been drawn, and most likely I think US dollar is going to fall again, and especially when the US President Biden is emphasizing on new stimulus in the first quarter, although, well, rate hike is also being emphasized to capture the inflation, but the dollar definitely, well, is prone to be weakened. So as dollar weakens, what we are looking very on our high focus is actually on the opposite side. Euro currency could be the next potential currency that could be moving up and countering, okay, the weakening of US dollars. So last week we were talking about a long yen trust. This week we're going to talk about a long euro ETF, okay, ETF, exchange traded funds. And what is that? I'm going to show you now. Ta-da! And here it comes. All right, and the symbol is FXE, long euro ETF. All right, so if you look at this long euro ETF, well, this is a very wonderful chart because it has been coming down, okay, since last year and all the way. All right, with a very strong bottom here, okay, the previous resistance that turned into a support, okay, anywhere from 104 to 104.5, and the closing price on Friday was 105.45, okay, converging on the momentum as well as the EMA 4 and 20 averaging price. But if you look at a 4-hour chart, all right, there is a sign of turning up, okay, which could be happening anytime on Monday. All right, that's today, all right, 24th January year 2022. So long euro trust could be a good answer for this week if you are looking to long euros with less volatility. So picked up, okay, a good ETF like this, and the symbol is FXE. All right, if you want to have a double confirmation and thinking whether you should long FXE, let's take a look at euro currency. When we long FXE, remember that means we are looking at buying euros or having an opinion of picking up euros. So which means if we take a look at the euro USD spot currency, all right, well, I think it shows you the same answer here, and the momentum is building up, and anytime it could be turning up. So, but if you are not so good at handling the volatility of euro USD like this, which I think FXE is the right choice for you, and that's for OTOP 77 for the week 24th January year 2022, and 1 week away from Chinese New Year. All right, 恭喜发财, and I want to wish all of you have a very good, prosperous year again, and stay tuned every Monday morning. Please come back to us, share this video, because we will continue to share, well, all the good news, and we hope you will benefit. Stay tuned, and I'll be back next Monday.